Let's make the polar shortcut. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make the polar shortcut. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. In 1957, Scandinavian Airlines established the first trans-Arctic air flight route over the North Pole from Copenhagen to Tokyo. In order to commemorate the event, they had a cocktail competition. And the winner of that competition, who I believe is Danish, I'm going to look up his name. I found two spellings for his name, and I'm going to butcher both of them. It's Bol de Char or Paul de Richard. And let me know how you pronounce those. And they're spelled differently, but I think they're the same name. So the history may be unclear, but it may be clear, and I just don't know. In any case, he won that competition with this drink, the Polar Shortcut. Funny little story about the Polar Shortcut. When I was doing the research for this drink, I could only find two references, and so I had to kind of piece things together based on those two references. I did go to ChatGPT and asked it if it could find more information for me. And so I said brief history of the Polar Shortcut, and it came back with a bunch of stuff. And I'm like, you made that up, didn't you? And ChatGPT answered and said, yes, I did, because there's no more information. Don't trust your AIs. A note on the rum. This drink calls for a dark or an amber rum. I'm going to be using Pussers because that's what I currently have. I'm not convinced it's the best. If you find something that you think is the best in this cocktail, let me know what it is in the comments down below. There are 4 ingredients in this cocktail, and they're all equal proportion, each one half an ounce, which is 15 milliliters. We're going to start with our rum. Pussers, half an ounce, 15 milliliters. I think I just said that. Dark or amber rum of your choice. Cherry liqueur or cherry brandy. I'm using Hearing. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Triple sec of your choice. I'm using Cointreau. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. And dry vermouth of your choice. Half an ounce, 15 milliliters. Add some ice and give it a stir. The official glass for this drink is a Coupe, so I'm going to strain this into my Coupe. Garnish, twist of orange, but we're going to express, and then discard. Squeeze, wipe, discard. And that's it. The Polar Shortcut. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Not about drinks in particular, but do you use AI? If so, what do you use it for? Let me know in the comments down below. And do you think they're going to take over soon? Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. All you have to do is contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're there, you might as well like and subscribe and follow and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.